To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. In, at. The prepositions in and at are often used to describe locations, points in time, or other expressions. In is used to refer to something inside a space or an area. For example, he is in the room. In the room refers to being inside the room. The book is in the box. In the box refers to being inside the box. They live in London. In London means within the limits of London. At is used to refer to a specific point or place, often within a focus on an exact location. For example, I met her at the door. At the door means a specific point, which is the door. She is at the bus stop. At the bus stop refers to a specific point where the bus stop is located. They are at the airport. At the airport refers to the location of the airport. In is used to refer to longer periods of time, such as months, years, seasons, or parts of the day. For example, I'll go on holiday in June. June is a specific month. She was born in 1998. 1998 is a year. The flowers bloom in spring. In spring refers to a season. I will run in the morning. In the morning is a specific part of the day. At is used for specific times or moments. For example, the party is at 8 p.m. I'll call you at noon. At noon is a specific time of day. They will meet at midnight. At midnight is referring to a specific time of day. In can also be used for general locations, situations, or conditions. For example, they are in trouble. In trouble refers to being in a situation. She is in a hurry. In a hurry is describing the state or condition. At can be used for specific events or activities. For example, he is at the party. This is referring to a specific social event. I am at a concert. This is referring to an event.